course at LSME in 2015. And since then, I have opened the door to wide opportunities.
Also thank management from the director to the receptionist for the support they've been giving to all of us, not me as the pastor, to all LSME students. We are so proud to be one of your students.
About my journey in LSME. Basically, the very most important thing I will say about LSME is that they've got what I call the motivation spirit.
And I wouldn't have been able to do this without your continuous support.
Studying in LSME in 2015, January. I was very happy there, I enjoyed my time there. Staff was very supportive. I want to say a big thank you for everybody who helped me to graduate. Thank you very much.
I'm Elizabeth Kahunde. I've graduated today. I've done the course at DAT at the LSME. I'm very glad that I've graduated today. And why I like SME support staff.
Hi, I am Syed Shibli. I've done my DAT, I've graduated today, thankfully, and I'm very grateful to LSME. They helped me to achieve this valuable certificate.